Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest tech tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into a critical topic: credit monitoring and financial well-being. We'll be exploring the services offered by MyCreditMonitor, a UK-based company dedicated to helping individuals understand and manage their credit reports. The specific web address we're looking at today is https://members.mycreditmonitor.co.uk. This portal serves as the gateway to a suite of tools and resources designed to empower users to take control of their financial health. Navigating to this webpage is your first step towards accessing vital credit information. By logging into the members area, individuals gain access to a comprehensive overview of their credit history. This includes details about credit accounts, payment history, outstanding balances, and other crucial factors that influence credit scores. Understanding these elements is fundamental to maintaining a healthy credit profile and achieving your financial goals. MyCreditMonitor provides a platform for individuals to stay informed about any changes or updates to their credit files. This proactive approach allows users to quickly identify and address potential issues, such as fraudulent activity or inaccuracies in their reports. Early detection is key to mitigating the impact of these problems and preventing them from escalating into more significant financial difficulties. Through regular monitoring and alerts, you can stay ahead of the curve and maintain a clear picture of your credit standing. Beyond simple credit reporting, MyCreditMonitor offers additional services to help users improve their financial well-being. These may include educational resources, personalized advice, and tools for budgeting and debt management. The platform acts as a central hub for all your credit-related needs, providing the knowledge and support necessary to make informed financial decisions. By utilizing the full range of services available through the members portal, you can take proactive steps toward building a brighter financial future. So, head over to https://members.mycreditmonitor.co.uk and start exploring the benefits of comprehensive credit monitoring today.